All right, guys. So today I'm going to show you how I made over $8,000 in just one of our trading sessions using, of course, our 1-minute strategy, as well as our money management, maybe pushed a little bit to the extreme. My name is David with Binary Masterclass, and welcome back to the channel. All right, guys, so before we get into the trading, I just felt like it was important to let you know that these results that I'm going to show you today are not typical of binary options or necessarily of even my trading results. In fact, this is one of the better sessions I've had in a number of months. Now, things have been heating up in the trading room and with my trading. If you've been watching some of my trading, you'll know I've taken my account from about $1,000 a few weeks ago up to about $30,000 today using the same strategy with maybe a little bit more aggressive money management. Not all the time. Sometimes I trade the exact same money management as we teach in our binary masterclass. But when the market's giving it to you, I just feel like it's important to take a little bit more when the market's giving more. So there are times when the market is not giving as much and we've got to play it very conservatively. But in this session today, the market was just giving away some money and we were here to take it. And guys, if you hang around to the end of the video, which isn't too long, I'm going to give you an update on a very special promotion we are running on our premium membership, which gives you access again to 3 trading room sessions per day. Okay, guys, so let's roll the tape on our trading here. And today we took trading 7 cycles. This was the second basic trading session of the day. You never know when the trades are going to pop up. We actually had a really good premium session as well. But it just so happened that some of the better trades appeared during the basic trading session, which all of our members have access to. And we took 7 trading cycles today, which is not uncommon for that session. We're actually looking right here for actually a call on Euro Pound. Now, you see that Euro Pound did shoot past that support. So I did actually take a second entry on that because it did dart farther down below that support than what I had expected. And let's see how this plays out. We're out of the money right now on our first, and our first actually ties, and our second, half of our second was. So, okay, we did make some money there. We made about $1,100, not too bad. I was hoping for a little bit more on that trade. Now we're looking for Euro USD to come up to this resistance. It is in a downtrend, and I really like taking trades with the trend, I'm sorry. So I'm looking for a put, and there we go. It pops up to that resistance. We do get a good put just at that resistance level, but it does decide that it wants to move higher. I do take a second entry right there. Might have been a little soon. I just didn't think it was going to make it to that next level. Let's see what it does here. It is sitting below our entry, which is great. And we are going to win a second entry right here on Euro USD. All right, another couple $1,000 in the bank on that trade. You can see it really pops down pretty quickly. And now Euro USD is coming back up again, and it is moving up towards this resistance. I think I'm going to look to take a put again at this resistance. The same level that we took our previous entry. It's moving up pretty quickly here. Okay, it is almost there. And I do take an entry. It did not quite make it to that level. Am I going to regret? Okay, it did pop up to that level. It is sitting just inside the money for us. What's it going to do? It pops up there again. Unfortunately, my first entry does lose. It gets itself a little higher. I do take a second, and gosh, it pops even higher here. If it gets to this next level, I'm probably going to get in with a fairly decent sized third entry right there. Okay, actually that is a little bit bigger than I was intending. I got a little bit happy on that one, but it does come down. We do tie one of our 2 second entries, and now we are very, very nicely in the money, which is hopefully going to be a very good trading cycle for us here. We've actually got $13,000 riding on that trade, and we won that trading entry. Guys, we're up about $6,000 just in those 3 trades alone. Again, Euro USD popping up. I do like to trade Euro USD. It is the most traded instrument in the world of any kind. I do take an entry just below that resistance. And actually I go over and take an entry on EuroCAD as well, which itself hit a resistance and is coming close to a 15-minute level. Watching both of these trades, EuroCAD is actually getting to that next level, that 15-minute level, which it does spike past. I do take a second entry on both of these currencies, EuroCAD and Euro USD. EuroCAD I go a little bit bigger on because it does hit a very nice 15-minute level. Euro USD comes down into the money. We get our second entry win there. EuroCAD is moving down, another $1,100 right here. And guys, here we are at over $28,000 in the account here at the moment. See if we can find another trade or two to polish off the session. Watching Pound CAD up at this, I have a 15-minute level marked on the chart. You can see on Pound CAD, it does hit it. I don't get the entry that I want though. I'm actually a little bit sad because I really wanted that resistance and I just was a second or two late. It does pop up, hit that level again, continues to bounce off. It does push through that 15-minute level. So I go up and get ready to load in another entry and I lose that first entry on Pound CAD. I've not taken a second on it. Head over to Aussie CAD to see what it's doing. Looking around just to see where I want to take my next entry. Pound CAD looks like it is responding already. So we lose the opportunity to take that Pound CAD trade. Maybe it does come back up. Is it going to retest that level? Maybe I'll take my entry at that resistance if it can retest. Just watching what it's going to do here. Okay. It is getting itself back up. It does hit that level. And I do actually move over to EuroCAD and I actually take my entry on EuroCAD, which was doing the same thing. It hits a 15-minute level and it actually pushes through a little bit, which isn't surprising. It's not very far. It's less than a pip through that level. It does come back down and we lose that trade by one pipette in the last second. So I take my second right there because I still do feel like this one is going to respawn. It does end up responding. We've got a second entry placed on EuroCAD. And here we go. We do win our second entry on EuroCAD, giving us another $600 in profit between those two entries. And how about we find one more? It looks like we just missed the opportunity there on Euro Franc. Looking for Pound Aussie up at a resistance. Okay, it does get there. I do take Pound Aussie. It moves all the way up in that one candle from almost a support to the resistance. I didn't get the top. I'm hoping that doesn't come back to bite me here, but it actually does move down and nicely, cleanly into the range. And there we go, guys. That is how you make $8,000 in just about 30 minutes of trading using our 1-minute strategy and a modified version of our money management. All right, guys, so before I tell you about our premium trading room promotion, if you like this video and you're liking our binary options related content, I'd love it if you would subscribe to the channel, click like on the video, maybe interact with us in the chat. A good percentage of our viewers are not yet subscribers. I don't know why that is, but if you want to see notifications, click the bell icon as well. And guys, as far as our premium trading room special right now, if you open up an account under Pocket Option, under our affiliate link and fund it to a minimum of $3,000, we're going to give you up to 3 months of our premium trading room for free. Guys, this normally runs $199 per month, but if you want to trade with us in all 3 of our sessions, get access to specialized coaching at no additional cost, a private Telegram group, which gets you interaction with our other premium members as well as our coaches, click the link on the description below and get started in the process. And if you're not ready to go to that level, if you're just learning about binary options, or if you would like to start out with our basic trading room, we actually have a promotion going on there as well. Simply open up an account under Pocket Option, under our affiliate link, and we're going to give you 50% off of your first month trading with us. Guys, that's going to give you access to either one of our basic sessions, our binary options bootcamp, where you can learn all about trading binary options. It's going to give you one free coaching session with one of the greatest binary options coaches there is. So guys, we will see you in the trading room.